Hey, Cookaholic Chef Kendra here, and today we're making cheesy rice and chicken casserole. Super easy to put together. You can use leftover chicken, leftover rice, rotisserie chicken, minute rice. You can do whatever you want. So let's do what we do. Let's head to the kitchen and make it happen. We're gonna start by chopping some onions and carrots. Now we're gonna get them in a pot that we just sauteed some chicken chunks in just moments before. Stir them around a little bit. We're gonna cook these over medium-low heat until they're soft and develop a little color. It'll take about 5 minutes. Add some butter to a small saucepan over medium-low heat and let it melt. We're adding our flour and we're going to stir this around for a couple of minutes. We're going to make sure that we stir the flour well. We want it mixed in well, plus we don't want any lumps. I said this many times before, but what we're doing here is making a roux. This one is on the lighter side. The next thing we're going to do is pour in our chicken stock. Now we're going to stir this in well. We want to have our cheese grated or shredded and we want our oven preheated to 350 degrees. Also grab a baking vessel. We're using an 8 by 8 inch baking dish. We're adding some black pepper. We're going to slide in our salt. We're going to give it a stir. We're going to add our extra sharp cheddar cheese to our pot and reduce the heat to low. We're going to stir this until our cheese is melted and our sauce is smooth and creamy. You can see that we added our chicken, our rice, and our seasonings, garlic, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and a little salt. Now I'm going to stir this up real good. Let's add our cheese sauce. We're just going to pour in our cheesy goodness and then we're going to mix it up. You can use even more chicken, up to 2.5 cups. It's your kitchen, do what you want. By the way, the link to this recipe is in the about section below. Once we have this mixed, we're going to flatten it down a little bit with our fork and sprinkle the rest of the cheese on top. We're going to bake this off for 30 minutes and that's all it is to it. Hey guys, guess what? I have a Facebook page and you should go over there and like it. I think that would be cool. The link to that is in the about section below, along with links to all my social media, my free monthly update, information about my post office box, share my videos, and if you haven't already, subscribe. Chef Kendra is out. Peace.